Alright, how can we connect ChatGPT to N8N? To do this, we'll simply search for ChatGPT and go to the API section. Note that you can find N8N in the description below. After that, we'll click on API platform and then start building. As you can see, we'll need to log in now, okay? As you can see, I'm already logged in. I have organizations and projects here. If not, we'd create a project. Once created, click Create Project, select it, and you're set. Let's go to the dashboard section, alright? It usually opens in Documents, but we'll go to Dashboard. Here we have various dashboards to create things like chat prompt, to create prompts for audio, images, assistants, and more. The API keys can be found in the API keys section, okay? We go here and click Create New Secret Key. We'd name it Test. I'll delete it later anyway. Click Create and it'll generate the key for us, okay? Then we'd simply copy it, and now we go to the three dots menu and click Open. We'd go to the section of, well, I have OpenAI here, but you'd click Open New Credential. Seems I've already entered it in this case. And that's how you get the API for our beloved ChatGPT, okay?